Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be installing the 6-piston big brake kit, monoball bushings, and new wheels for street driving. The brake installation is pretty straightforward. You remove the stock caliper and rotor, trim the heat shield to fit the bigger caliper, and install everything back in reverse order. You will need to flush the brake fluid to get rid of the trapped air in the new lines. These monoball bushings are from a company called German Auto Solutions. You can either order them separately or pressed into the OEM thrust arms. The BMW logo here is removed for licensing reasons, but you can see they're identical to the OEM ones off the car. It's always a good idea to get an alignment after replacing suspension parts. I got the alignment dialed in at a nearby shop and booked a track day at my favorite proving grounds, Laguna Seca.
The brakes performed flawlessly and the upgraded bushings improved the steering response and feel, but for some reason I was sliding all over the place and was 2 seconds off my previous best time. I rewatched the footage and realized my overconfidence in the brakes meant I was braking too late and carrying too much speed into the corner. This resulted in lots of lift-off oversteer and as a result, slower lap times. Keeping this in mind, I booked another track day and set out to improve my lap time with more consistent braking. I created this comparison of my new personal best against my previous one so you could see where I was gaining time. I gained about half a second over my previous best lap, mostly due to being able to consistently brake at the same marker on every lap and focus on my inputs rather than worrying about brake performance. Overall, this was a much needed upgrade for this car and has already made me a better driver. If you have recommendations for what to upgrade next, please drop a comment below. In the meantime, if you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.